Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's make simple chicken curry. Chicken thighs 750 grams. Marinate in yogurt and dry spices. Marinate in 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Marinate in half teaspoon of each kasuri methi, which is dry fenugreek leaf, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon coriander powder, and also half teaspoon of, this is my homemade garam masala. Marinate the chicken with all these dry spices. Mix it well and keep it aside for a few minutes. Now, while chicken is marinating, we'll prepare masala. Take half cup of crushed tomato, half cup of fried onion, 2 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and 1 teaspoon green chili paste. In a hot pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and fry the chicken. Fry our marinated chicken 2 minutes each side. Now flip it over after 2 minutes and fry another 2 minutes. This will make the curry more tasty if you fry first and then add masalas. Now add all our wet ingredients: garlic paste, green chili paste, ginger paste and tomato crush. Mix well. Let the raw smell of ginger garlic go away. After 1 minute, now add our fried onion. Add it all and add all our dry spices. Add at once. Now fry for 1 minute and add water. Add 1/4 cup of water after 1 minute of frying and reduce the flame. When the oil starts coming up or oozing out, that means our spices are fried well. And no more raw. Yes, spices are done. Onion, spices, chicken all together. The oil starts coming up. That means frying is done. Alright. Now add 2 cups of water and let it cook completely, nearly 15 minutes. Reduce the flame to medium heat, cover it and cook. Wow, the color looks great. Let's cook it completely till it's soft, maybe 15 minutes. And I'll come back after 15 minutes. Stir in between 1 or 2 times. So make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom. Now let's check after 15 minutes whether it's cooked. Let's check. Yes, it's almost done. Very good. Now at the end, when the pieces are soft and cooked, add 1/4 cup of yogurt and 1/4 cup of cream. Not too sour yogurt and cream. Mix well again and cook covered for another 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. The curry is done. Cover again. Let's check. Wow. Garnish with 2 tablespoons cut cilantro